How to install Google Chrome on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Tap on the search bar at the bottom and then type in Google Chrome. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate Google Chrome in the list and tap on it. As you can see, this app is already downloaded to your phone. Here, tap on Update as shown to update the Google Chrome app. Wait while the progress completes and the button updates to open. Tap on Open to launch Google Chrome right away from the App Store. The Chrome Start screen appears, confirming the installation is complete and the app is ready to use. You can now find the Chrome icon on the home screen for quick access whenever needed. Following these steps, you can easily install Google Chrome on iPhone.